Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see previous story on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, access your Facebook app on your mobile phone. There we go. Simply go ahead and make sure you're signed in with the correct account where you would like to see your story. Now right over here, simply tap on your profile icon on top left. And now you got this right. Simply tap on this three dot icon beside edit profile. And now simply choose this option of archive in the fourth option. And now you have to simply go ahead, you can check out this option of story archive on top. Go ahead, tap on it. And now you will be able to see all of your previous stories accordingly that you have uploaded so far. And you can also manually simply tap on it and check it out. Cross this out, and you can do that for your remaining other stories as well. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.